Drop, put your hands in the sky. You got, that's not to a problem.